Hey guys, what is going on today? I'm going to show you all how to fix your AirPods. So if you're having any issues, for example, your AirPods won't connect to your iPhone, or you're having issues with it not only one side working or only one side charging, well guys, there's this app that will actually fix all of those issues that I mentioned and more issues, such as the volume not being able to go all the way up. And it's this app called Pods Fixer. And I'm going to show you guys all exactly how to install this app for absolutely free on iOS and Android. So yeah guys, let's jump right into it. All you're going to need to do for this video, guys, is just follow my instructions until the end. This will literally take like under 5 minutes to do, and once you've got the app once, you won't ever have to do it again. So the way you're going to install this app is by going to the website smmsky.co. So open up your browser on your mobile device, guys, and go to the website. Ooh, let me turn on the brightness a bit. Go to the website smmsky.co. Now once you're in the site, in the search bar here at the top, just type in Pods Fixer. So I'll go ahead and type that now. And there it is, guys. Pods Fixer fixes any issues with AirPods. And then we just tap Start Injection. Now we just have to wait for this to load. So the reason this app is actually so good, guys, is because it fixes any of your problems and it detects it. Like, it troubleshoots by itself. You don't even have to do anything. You just literally open the app, connect your AirPods, and it'll fix all your issues. And the sweet part about it is that, the only thing about this app, guys, is that you cannot find it on the App Store. The only way to install it is via tweaked websites like this one, smmsky. I'm showing you guys. And yeah, it doesn't get revoked, by the way. But unfortunately, it is not on the App Store. I guess Apple wants your AirPods to have issues, so they like force you to buy another pair or like have to fix it with them. So yeah, this app will allow you to save money, so you don't have to get new AirPods or whatever, guys. So you're going to see it's going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of 2 free offers below to finish the injection process. So this is very simple to do. Let's get this done. We have a bunch of apps here, and you just got to follow the instructions of 2 of them. So I'm going to do Solitaire. That's the instructions right there. Download and install this app to run for 30 seconds. So I'm doing this app first. And after we've done one app, then we just simply go back and do a second one. So I'm going to let this one run here for a bit. And then we can go back and do a second app. Alright guys, heading back now, and now we're going to choose Norton Secure VPN. And now we're running our second app. So once you guys have done both apps, you can pretty much go ahead and close both of them up and delete them off your phone, and you should see Pods Fixer installed on your device. That's the app right there, guys. All you got to do is go ahead and open it, connect your AirPods, and it's very simple to start using. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you still need help, just come back here and try some more offers, and that should fix it. And peace out, guys.